Hi guys, welcome to ChefQ's channel. Today's episode is the Halloween special recipe. Let's see what's good today, alright?
So why didn't you call?
Alright, what is up guys? Today we are at a pumpkin patch. This pumpkin patch usually opens on October 1st, beginning of October. I would thought that it would be slow because of COVID, but there's actually a lot of people. It's filled with people. But today in this video, we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch, check it out. We are in Escondido, close to Escondido, the outskirts of San Diego a little bit. But we're gonna find some pumpkin, use the pumpkin and make a Halloween dish. Usually for Halloween, I usually just see people making like cookies or baking goods and like green drinks and stuff, but not really like main dish. So today we're gonna pick out a pumpkin, go to the market, pick up a black chicken, and we're gonna do something with it. All right, but right now we're gonna check out the pumpkin patch and we're gonna try to pick out a pumpkin here. All right, let's go.
No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call?
Okay, we are in. So this pumpkin patch open at 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Glad we got in because now there's a long line. There's a long line. Because of COVID, they only allow 500 people in. So it's pretty hot right now. I know it's mid-October, but here in San Diego, I don't know, it's still pretty hot. It doesn't get cold till like maybe November, mid-November. But cold to us is like 60 degrees is cold for us, okay? So if you're from another state, don't laugh about it because that's how we San Diegans are. Okay, so there's a lot of things to do here. There's a lot of pumpkins to pick. There's price tags already on here. You can also rent a wheelbarrow to carry your pumpkins or whatever you buy in here. There are sunflowers. There are goats. Well, there's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna take you around and you can see it yourself. I don't have to mention it on here, okay? So, let's go. So it's $2 for the corn maze. And then if you want to go through the sunflower over here, it's free.
$2 per stem.
How much are the flowers?
$2 each stem. Yeah, $2.
So $2 each stem if you cut it. Cool. And once you cut it, where do you pay? You take it out in the front?
You can pay for $2. Yeah.
For the front. Okay. Cool. Thanks, buddy.
I just want you in my possession.
Alright, we got our map. Let's go.
Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up this time for real. Oh, wake up, wake up.
Yeah, we're out.
Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no.
Okay guys, so welcome back. We are in my kitchen, my small kitchen, but we're gonna make it work. All right, so today I really don't know what the heck we're making. You know what they say, a good chef follows a recipe, but a great chef makes up his own recipe. So I'm making up the recipe as I go. I just find stuff around the house, put it together, and make a dish. That's how we do it here. So today we're gonna do, I think we are going to stuff the chicken inside the pumpkin, which we have here. A good sized pumpkin for this, because we're gonna need to stuff the chicken in there. I've also got a kombucha squash. It's kind of like a pumpkin. We're gonna marinate the chicken, stuff it, and then put it in the pumpkin, cover it with coal, and then hopefully it cooks through. Anyways, here are the ingredients. So in our backyard, I picked up some kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are like this shaped leaf. Not all lime leaves are good. These are a special kind of lime. Thai people, Vietnamese people, a lot of Southeast Asian people use these leaves. It's very aromatic, and I use a lot of these in my cooking. Of course, we got fresh lemongrass from the back, and then we got fresh ginger. Just slice them up. You don't even need to skin them, because we're not gonna eat them. These are just stuffings, but the main taste is actually the marinade, which we will use garlic, peeled garlic. I'm gonna pound this up, make it into a paste. Sugar, chicken flavoring, 5-spice powder. A 5-spice powder basically is just ground up like 5 spices. We got cinnamon, we got cloves in here, star anise, fennel, and coriander. We need oil just to moisten up the chicken so it won't be dry. Okay, fish sauce, grounded black pepper, coarse. Okay. Oh, and of course pumpkin. Well, I've already told you that. Dun, 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 dun. Bam! Here's our beast. It's a black chicken. They're called, what is this? Silky chicken. They're called silky chicken. I don't know why it says Buddhist style, because there's Buddhists or vegetarian. Anyways, in Chinese and Vietnamese cooking, this is special. A lot of them, they use it in like Chinese herbal dishes. It's used for pregnant people or people that are sick that needs, strength and stuff, I guess. Or if guys want to make baby, they can eat this black chicken and have a lot of hormones and make babies. I don't know how, but for Halloween, I said we use this chicken just because it's scary looking, like zombie looking. These chicken are black skin. Their meat is a little bit black too. Their bone is actually black inside too. I'll show you later. This is the chicken we're gonna use. You can use regular chicken too if you're too scared, but I say it's for Halloween, so heck, this is what we're gonna use. I'm gonna do it differently. No herbal stuff, okay? That's all they've been cooking with using this for, so we're gonna do something different today. Very different. Even I don't know how it's gonna turn out, so we'll see at the tasting, okay? Make sure you rinse this chicken with, wash it with salt, and then leave it to dry, okay? Dry it up pretty well. If it's not dry enough and you put the marinade on, the flavor is gonna be diluted because there's still moisture or too much water in the chicken. So, okay, so we're gonna make the marinade first.
Never been good at show discretion. It's not my thing, no, my profession. Never giving up, no fight. Not letting you out of my sight. Never giving up.
Okay, for me, I taste and then add as I go. Okay.
Never giving up, no fight. fight, not letting you out of my sight. Break up, break up. Oh, wake up, break up. Wake up, break up. Never giving up, no fight, not letting you out of my sight. Wake up, break up.
Okay, guys. I think this might be too thick for the chicken to cook through, and by the time it cooks through, all our coal is probably gonna be burned out. So I opened up a little bit of air, just so the hot heat can get in and cook the chicken a little bit. Okay. The other one I'm not too worried about because there's a gap. Actually, this one is sealed shut, so I'm like, oh my god, it might not cook through. But yeah, this should be good. Yeah. The gap, so then all these heat can go through here and actually cook it. Look at that window. Ooh, look at that window.
2 hours later.
Ooh, the smell right now, it smells kind of like sweet potato. You know, when, I don't know if you guys done it, but when you wrap sweet potato and you put it inside the charcoal cook, that's the smell of it. I guess this is kind of like cooking the chicken inside a sweet potato on charcoal, of course. So we got this custard. This is like sweet potato right here. Ooh. Yeah, so soft. Mmm. Dude, the lemongrass and everything infuses in here, and this thing is like, it's kind of like mashed potato, but sweet, like sweet mashed potato with a hint of lemongrass and salt and pepper, of course. Definitely get the kombucha, okay? I don't know about the other pumpkin thing yet, but kombucha, the kombucha swash is really good. All right, let's open this up. Okay. Gotta do a review here. Ooh, look at this chicken. Yep, it's cooked. Definitely cooked. Definitely cooked. Ooh, this is so soft. Look, I can spoon it out. Let's try this again. Mmm. Ooh, the charcoal makes a difference. Charcoal makes a difference. I mean, if you don't have charcoal, this takes a lot more work. You can probably do it on put it on your barbecue grill and cover it up. I think that should do too. Flavor. You see all these lemongrass that we stuck in here. These out. I'm just gonna. Oh my god, the smell of the lemongrass and the lemon leaf is coming out right now. I'm gonna take this. Ooh. Check this out. It's so tender, see? I can just tear this off. This meat is so black. Even the meat is black, not only the skin. Got the meat too. Let's see. So let's get the chicken out. See? It's so dark. This is literally dark meat chicken. Oh my god. It's so tender and juicy. It's not dry at all. Oh,
I forgot the sauce. Just black pepper and salt and lime. This chicken is very flavorful. It looks kind of weird, but very flavorful. Wings. This is salt and pepper, chili. And then you gotta take a scoop of kombucha squash. Oh my god. It's a little bit of work, but it's worth it. Okay, I don't know if you can see the chicken now. It's dark and the chicken is dark. Everything is dark. I want to taste this pumpkin. See this pumpkin? It's like stringy. It's not like the other one. It's stringy. I don't know how it's gonna taste like. Okay. Not good. It's just texture. It's not sweet. It's just stringy. Well, it's not like smelted, but yeah, basically there's no flavor in this pumpkin, okay? So I would recommend getting the kombucha squash instead of this pumpkin. This pumpkin, no flavor at all. That is all for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween special. If you want more of ChefQ's travel recipe, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button for the newest content. Upload twice a week. Have an awesome Halloween and also stay safe and healthy. Oh, and please don't scare the kids. Well, till next time, peace.